Yo, what's up y'all? Cracker Runner here. So, Party Animals just came out. So, I got on with Some Other Dimension and King J, Aiden and Jeremiah. And we had a lot of fun. There was definitely a bunch of laughs, a lot of yelling, like a hell of a lot of yelling. But we all decided that this is the Gang Beast 2, and it's so much fun. But I'm gonna just let the video speak for itself. Hope you guys enjoyed. As always, cracker on.
Hell no!
Get into that!
Okay, wait, I gotta get to kill the game, man. Back away from me, bitch! Wait, hold on, okay, I made my game controls the same as game.
How do I... Oh! Stop resisting! Stop resisting!
Hey!
Yo, what the? Hey, stop resisting! Oh, my bad.
Yeah!
Oh. How did I die first? Bro, oh my god. Aiden just whooped our asses, bro.
Shoot him, Casey! Shoot him!
Oh!
Oh my god! What happens if I go in here?
Oh.
If I lost that, I was about to release all my racist intentions. Oh shit!
Hey, stop it!
No! Why? Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm
Ooh.
You know what? Where you at? Where you at? The plane is freezing!
My brother's floating in the air. How could his hands do this? Oh, someone get him out the air.
I saw that bitch, you're not split.
Bitch!
Girl photo!
Bitch, I don't fuck with you. I don't fuck with you, bitch. Oh, that's actually a good picture.
I'm gonna kill myself.
Except I look like an alligator who's has a girlfriend who's like a fucking duck. And I'm like, come here, bitch.
Burn! Burn, monkey, burn!
Don't leave me here. My house. My dog.
Jacob. Little pig.
Monkey showed that you died.
Oh, wait, this fire went down. Oh.
Jeremiah, run to the next fire!
Shoot first, think later. Shoot first, think later.
You're why? Bro, get off of him, bro! Oh my god! Casey, I said no.
Give me the Shao Kahn lollipop, for Christ's sake.
Give it, bitch, what'd I tell you?
It's mine! Hey, what's up? Dance it and get to the... Oh!
Stop! Casey, stop! No! Let go of me, Jeremiah! Oh! Wait a minute. Oh. Yes! Let's go! Oh my god! Let's go! Put me on my pedestal right now! Put me on my pedestal right now! I deserve it! I deserve it! Put me on my pedestal right now! Put me on my pedestal right now! Oh my god! Let's go! Oh my god!
Lady